All right, let's go deeper and more clinical, the way it's expected in exams, Viva, and ward understanding. Neostigmine, detailed elaboration. 1. Basic information, expanded. Generic name, neostigmine methylsulfate bromide. Drug class, reversible acetylcholinesterase inhibitor, indirect parasympathomimetic. Chemical nature, quaternary ammonium compound, cannot cross BBB. Brand names Prostigmine, Bloxivers. Forms available. Injection IVIMSC, tablets oral. 2. Definition. Conceptual. Neostigmine is a peripherally acting cholinergic drug that enhances transmission at neuromuscular junction, skeletal muscle, autonomic synapses, parasympathetic. It is mainly used where acetylcholine deficiency or blockade exists. Mechanism of action, deeper action, inhibits acetylcholinester, ACE, prevents breakdown of acetylcholine, ACA. Molecular effect, neostigmine binds to ACHE, forms carbamylated enzyme complex. This complex is slowly hydrolyzed, prolonged ACH action. SHASH functional effects. At neuromuscular junction, nicotinic. ACH, muscle contraction. Reverses competitive neuromuscular blockers, e.g. rocuronium. At muscarinic sites, GI motility, salivation, bronchial secretion, heart rate. 4. Pharmacokinetics, detailed, parameter, details. Absorption, poor oral, 10-20%. Bioavailability, low orally. Onset, IV, 1 duration, 2-4 hours. Distribution, peripheral only. BBB penetration, no. Metabolism, liver, partial hydrolysis. Excretion, renal half-life, 50 to 90 minutes. Renal failure, drug accumulation, toxicity risk. Number 5, uses, clinical context, neuromuscular disorders, myasthenia gravis. 2. Anesthesia practice, reversal of non-depolarizing muscle relaxants, vecuronium, rocuronium. 3. GI and urinary, paralytic ileus, postoperative urinary retention. 6. Indications, clinical, symptomatic MG treatment, reversal of residual neuromuscular blockade after surgery, non-obstructive urinary retention, postoperative intestinal atony. 7. Contraindications expanded, absolute, mechanical intestinal obstruction, mechanical urinary obstruction, hypersensitivity. Relative, asthma, bradycardia, peptic ulcer, Parkinsonism. 8. Precautions, important clinical points. Risk of cholinergic crisis, be cautious in cardiac patients, arrhythmias, respiratory disease, bronchospasm, renal impairment, accumulation. Always keep atropine ready. Ma9, how to use, clinical practice. In myasthenia gravis, given before meals, improves swallowing. Dose individualized based on muscle strength, fatigue pattern. In surgery, administered IV with atropine glycopyrrolate. Dosing information, detailed myasthenia gravis. Oral, 15 to 375 milligrams per day, divided doses. Reversal of NM block, IV, 0.03 to 0.07 milligram kilogram, always combined with anticholinergic. 11. Missed dose, overdose, clinical differentiation. Missed dose, take ASAP unless near next dose. Overdose, cholinergic crisis symptoms. Sludge syndrome, salivation, lacrimation, urination, diarrhea, GI cramps, emesis, muscle weakness paradoxical. Differentiation, myasthenic crisis, cholinergic crisis. Cause, too little drug, too much drug. Pupils, dilated, constricted. Treatment, dose, atropine. Number 12, stop or avoid taking, avoid, self-adjusting dose. Sudden withdrawal, MG patients. Stop if severe bradycardia, respiratory distress. Number 13, side effects, mechanism-based. Muscarinic effects, diarrhea, sweating, salivation, bradycardia. Nicotinic effects, muscle cramps, fasciculations. Severe, respiratory paralysis, bronchospasm. 14, vital monitoring parameters. Pulse rate, bradycardia risk, respiratory rate, oxygen saturation, muscle strength, ECG monitoring, and IV use. Number 15, drug interactions detailed. Increased toxicity, aminoglycosides worsen weakness, beta blockers bradycardia, reduce effect, anticholinergics. Anesthesia interaction, potentiates neuromuscular blockers. 16, drug comparison high yield, feature, neostigmine, pyridostigmine. Duration, short, 2-4 hour, long, 6 to 8. Use, acute plus reversal, chronic MG. Side effects, preferred in MG, less. More, pyridostigmine is drug of choice for long-term MG. Number 7, teaching, clinical nursing focus. Neostigmine, patient teaching, detailed and practical. Patient teaching is crucial, especially for conditions like myasthenia gravis, where dosing and timing directly affect daily function. 1. How to take the medication. Take exactly as prescribed. Do not change dose on your own. Maintain a strict schedule, very important for muscle strength control. If oral, can be taken with or without food. For swallowing difficulty, take before meals. 2. Importance of timing. In myasthenia gravis, take 30 to 60 minutes before meals, helps improve chewing and swallowing. Keep consistent intervals to avoid weakness episodes. 3. Do not skip or double dose. Missing doses, muscle weakness may worsen. If missed, take as soon as remembered. Skip if close to next dose. Do not double dose. 4. Recognize warning signs, very important. Signs of underdose, myasthenic crisis, increasing muscle weakness, difficulty breathing, trouble swallowing. Signs of overdose, cholinergic crisis, excess saliva, sweating, diarrhea, stomach cramps, slow heartbeat, muscle twitching, or weakness. Report immediately, may require treatment with atropine. Number 5, safety precautions. Avoid driving or operating machinery if weakness or dizziness occurs. Be careful with activities requiring muscle strength. Number 6, drug and food interactions. Inform doctor about antibiotics, heart medications, any new drugs. Avoid self-medication, medical identification. Always carry medical ID card or bracelet. Mention diagnosis, e.g. myasthenia gravis, current medications. Narrate, regular monitoring. Attend follow-up visits. Monitor muscle strength, breathing, heart rate. 9. Special instructions. Do not stop medication. Store properly. Cool, dry place. Keep out of reach of children. 10. When to seek immediate help. Difficulty breathing. Severe weakness, fainting or slow pulse, excessive secretions. Number 11. Lifestyle advice. Plan activities when medication effect is strongest. Eat soft foods if swallowing is difficult. Get adequate rest. Key takeaway, simple for patients. Take on time, don't skip, watch for too much or too little effect, and report breathing or swallowing problems immediately. Thank you. Have a nice day.